Okay, thank you for that. Palakpakan po natin. Next, go! Unang araw pa lang, challenge na agad ang inyong mga musical and artistic prowess ba yun? Maximum of 2 minutes, automatic na shut off ang microphone.
Actually, hindi kami handa eh. To be a virtuoso in specific field, this is what we hope and dream. With well-versed and competent facilitators, success is very easy in our endeavor. To ensure success of the training, we need to be participating and cooperating. To teach with love and values. Isn't it good to be here? Fulfilling? I thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Napakalamig ang boses. Kasama ng kanyang malapyos ng ngipin. Okay. Very clear po yung message ng group, hindi po ba? Pero I like the last one. Can you say it again, sir? The last one. Okay. Isn't it good to be here? Fulfilling? Di po ba? Is it good to be here? Yes, of course. Why? We have 8,000, am I right? More than 8,000 grade 8 teachers from the field. Among these more than 8,000 teachers, you were chosen 247. Di ba? Dapat maramdaman niyo yung feeling, feeling great. Di ba? Sabi nga niya, fulfilling yung ganitong experience. Now, we need to capitalize on that feeling. Ha? Mag-capitalize tayo doon habang inaantay natin pakakyat sila. Okay. Next is group 4.